Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my class. That is my EVS class. Students, we are on chapter number third. We are on chapter third, EVS. EVS, water o water. The name of the chapter is water o water. And we are in the process of completing the exercises. We are in the process of completing the exercises. Okay, students. Yesterday we have seen some of the pictures in the book. It is given here some pictures. Students, can you see? Yes, these are the pictures. You can see here this side. See this one. These are the pictures here. Yes. Okay. Now you have already seen the picture. In your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. In your house, you store water in what? In which place or in which instrument do you स्टोर वाटर? अब घर पे वाटर यानी पानी किस में स्टोर करते हैं, आपको उसका पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द पिक्चर. एग्जांपल, we can say we store we store water we store water at home in a what we can say, in a tank. Okay, in a tank or in a bucket, balti mein. Yes, yes, in a tub, etc. So अगर आप घर पे, if you are storing water at home in a tank, then draw a tank. Draw a tank means syntax. Draw a tank. आपको एक टैंक बनाना होगा. Yes, you have to draw a tank. Students, can you 500-liter tank? You have to draw the figure of a tank in your notebook. In your notebook, you have to draw the figure of a tank. आपको tank का figure बनाना होगा. You have to draw the figure of a tank if you are storing water at home in a tank. Okay. Next, if you store water, अगर घर पे आप water bucket में, in bucket means बाल्टी, अगर आप बाल्टी में store करते हैं, then you draw the figure of what? Bucket. Then you draw the figure of bucket. आप bucket का figure बनाएंगे. Okay. If you if you store water in a tub, then you draw the figure of what? Tub. This is tub. Okay, students, it's your homework. Or you have done it. I know you have done it. आपने ये किया हुआ है. So we store water at home in a tank, bucket, tub, etc. Many other things are here. Okay, now let's see the next question. The next question, students, here is that in the above, take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water. Here, students, look at this picture. Look at this picture. इस picture को देखिए. Okay, and now listen carefully. Which will contain less water among this? इसमें in pictures को देखिए. Look at this picture. Which container will store less water? Which container will store less water? The question is that which container which will contain least water. Okay, this is the first question, and the second question is that which will contain most water. Students, look at the board among these two. Now here the picture is here. Look here in this picture. Look here in this picture, students. इस पिक्चर को देखिए. इसमें सबसे ज्यादा पानी किसमें, कम पानी किसमें होगा? Here, इसमें. What is this? It's a tumbler. So सबसे कम पानी किसमें होगा? In a tumbler. What is a tumbler? A steel glass used for drinking, used for drinking water, used for drinking water. What, this is the meaning of tumbler. Tumbler का मतलब होता है एक स्टील का ग्लास जिससे हम पानी पीते हैं, that is called tumbler. So among this picture, tumbler is the smallest or the container which contain least, सबसे कम पानी tumbler में आता है. Now let us see which will contain most water. Most water. Which picture will contain most water? It bucket. Bucket. Bucket will contain most water. सबसे ज्यादा पानी bucket में होगा और सबसे कम पानी tumbler यानी glass में होगा. Now let us see the third question. The third question is that how could you tell? How could you tell? Now students, it's your turn. Now it's your turn to answer it. That we have seen the picture here. We have seen this picture. Look here, this picture. ये picture हमने देख लिया यहाँ पे. सबसे ज्यादा पानी bucket में and सबसे कम water container is the tumbler. Look here, the tumbler. Students, look here. Tumbler. In tumbler. Tumbler means what? What is tumbler? A steel glass, not gas. Sorry. It's not a gas, but it should be a glass. Yes, a steel glass used for drinking water is called tumbler. Here, you can see one picture in the book. One small picture, one small container is there. This is called tumbler. So less amount of water will contain. We can store here. Less amount. सबसे कम पानी इसमें होगा and सबसे ज़्यादा you can contain in the what? In the bucket. In the bucket you can contain yes, this is called what? Bucket. In bucket we can store most amount of water. This. Now let us come to the next question. The next question is that how could you tell it? How? आपको कैसे पता चला? How do you come to know that this tumbler will store less water and this bucket will store large amount of water? आपको कैसे पता चला कि tumbler यानी ग्लास में सबसे कम पानी आएगा और बाल्टी में सबसे ज्यादा आएगा? By looking at the size. The answer will be by, listen carefully students, by looking at the size of the container. By looking at the size, हमें इसके साइज से पता चल जाता है कि इसमें सबसे कम पानी होगा. It will contain less amount of water or it can store less amount of water, and a bucket will store most or large amount of water. So students, now let us come to the next. Chutki is confused. Chutki is confused. Now look here. Hiren and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Hiren and Chutki were two. दो बच्चे हैं. They were very thirsty. What do you mean by thirsty? Thirsty means pyasa. They were feeling thirsty. The need of water. Okay. Students, listen. You are moving. Don't move. If you are moving, it is very hard to teach. Don't move, please. Jayasri, can you sit properly without moving your mobile? Jayasri, yes, please sit properly. Everyone sit properly. Jia Kumari, sit properly. Don't move. Yes, now listen carefully. Only by listening you will be able to understand. सिर्फ सुनोगे तभी समझ में आएगा. Or else you will not be able to understand. Now let us see. Yes, students, now look here. Chutki is confused. Chutki is getting confused. What happened to Chutki? Let us see. Hiran and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Hiran and Chutki were two children. They were feeling very thirsty. Thirsty means वो बहुत प्यासे थे. They were feeling thirsty या उन्हें प्यास लगी थी. Their uncle gave both of them aam panna means mango panna in a steel tumbler. Steel tumbler. अभी बताया मैंने. Just now I told you what is tumbler. Okay, Hiran and Chutki were feeling thirsty. Their uncle gave them what? Mango panna in a steel tumbler. In a steel tumbler. Now look here. In a steel tumbler. यानी कि ग्लास में. Steel tumbler means what? Glass. Steel tumbler. in a steel tumbler. In a steel tumbler, their uncle gave them what? Mango panna. That is in Hindi we can call, this is called what? Mango panna. Look here, their uncle Hiran and Chutki. Hiran and Chutki. Look here. Hiran and Chutki. Hiran and Chutki were very thirsty. Their uncle gave them what? Mango panna. Mango panna in Hindi we call aam panna. We call aam panna. Or in English we can say mango panna. In English we can say, look here, mango panna. Mango panna means unripe mango shake. Mango shake. Unripe mango shake. You know mango shake? Yes, everybody knows what is mango shake. Unripe यानी कच्चे आम का अगर हम शरबत बनाते हैं, शेक बनाते हैं, तो उसको हम आम पन्ना बोलते हैं. या गर्मियों के दिन में when the weather is very hot and you have heard लू जब बहती है, उस समय हम कचे हुए आम को भून करके जब उसका रस बनाते हैं, that is called what? आम पन्ना और मैंगो पन्ना. That in the season of summer season, or in a hot, when the weather or the climate is very hot, everyone get thirsty. Hiran and Chutki, they are very thirsty. Their uncle gave them what? Mango panna in two same side steel tumbler. Now let us see. But Chutki wanted only a glass tumbler. Chutki wanted a glass tumbler. What is this? This is a steel tumbler. Steel tumbler में ये हमें दिखाई नहीं देता इस portion में. This portion is what hidden. But Chutki won the same आम पन्ना in a glass tumbler. यानी शीशे की ग्लास में. In a glass tumbler. In a glass tumbler. In a glass tumbler. Chutki is saying, uncle, no, I'm not going to drink mango shake or aam panna or mango panna in a steel tumbler. I want to drink the mango panna in a glass tumbler. यानी मुझे कांच के ग्लास में चाहिए, मुझे स्टील के ग्लास में आम पन्ना नहीं लेना है, मैंगो पन्ना. I'm not going to drink. So Chutki is saying, I want the what? Aam panna or mango panna in a glass tumbler. Next, her uncle poured means what? एक ग्लास से दूसरे ग्लास में गिराना, pour करना. Okay, poured. Do you understand, students? Clear? Poured. Her uncle poured the mango shake or the aam panna in a glass tumbler. Okay, now let us see. But Chutki was not happy. She complained, uncle, you have given me less panna. Now look here, students. Chutki says, uncle, I want to drink this. Here, first glass देखो, पहले इस पे दिया अंकल ने, सेम ग्लास में, स्टील ग्लास में. दिस पोर्शन देखो बेटा, इस पोर्शन में कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. तो Chutki is saying, no, uncle, I want to drink the aam panna, the mango panna in a glass tumbler. यानी कांच के शीशे वाली, कांच के ग्लास में पीना है. अंकल ने क्या किया? कांच के ग्लास में पिला, उसको pour कर दिया, यानी गिरा दिया. Now Chutki is not happy. Chutki खुश नहीं है. Chutki ये कह रही है, she is saying that uncle, you have given me less amount of mango panna. आपने मुझे बहुत कम दिया है. यहाँ देखो बेटा, you can see here. Look here. पहले तो इस ग्लास में, earlier uncle gave them, Hiran and Chutki, in these two glasses. Now uncle have poured this one into a what? Glass tumbler. यानी कांच की ग्लास में डाल दिया. Now Chutki was not happy. She is complaining to her uncle. Uncle, you have given me less panna. Students, क्या अंकल ने कम पन्ना दिया है उसको? आम पन्ना कम दिया है या बराबर है? कम है? No, बराबर है ना? It is equal. Yes, it is equal. We can see. Now, what do you feel? Did Chutki glass tumbler have less panna? Now it is a question for you. ये पढ़ने के बाद एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है हमारे सामने. Do you think Chutki has been given less amount of mango panna? क्या Chutki को कम मिला है? मैंगो शेक जो शरबत बना हुआ है गर्मी के दिन में, वो Chutki को कम मिला है. उसको बस अंकल ने क्या किया? ग्लास चेंज कर दिया. Glass change किया, but the amount remained the same. So no, Chutki was not been given the less amount of Ampanna. She has got equal Ampanna related to Hiren. Hiren को जितना मिला, how much the same amount have been given to Hiren and the same amount also to Chutki. I hope you understand, students. आपको समझ में आ गया? समझ में आया होगा? I hope you understand. It is clear. Show me your thumb, students. If it is clear, please show me your thumb. Yes, sir, it is clear. Yes, fine. Now let us see. Given in the grid. Now let me draw the grid, students. Look here. Look here, everybody. Given in the grid are some places where we found water, where we can find water. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, 9 boxes are there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me write down now. W A T E R F A L L. Next is E L A K E R P X Q. L S E A S A O M T. Next is L X W W I E Q L Y L I N N D N Y A P. Okay, now look here. This is the grid. Students, clear? दिखाई दे रहा है board पे? Yes, clear ना everybody? Yes. Okay, fine. Now from here, given in the grid are some places where water is found. Here we have to find out the one word where water we can find water. The places where we can find water. Now let us see the first one. Look here. That is, we can see here. It is written here. What is this? Waterfall. Waterfall. So where shall I write? I will write here. First is what? Waterfall. W-A-T-E-R. Water. F-A-L-L. Waterfall. Now let us see number 2. Now I am going to ask from you. Who will help me? Shreya Singh. Yes. Shreya Singh. Tell me, anyone? Lake. Very good. L-A-K-E. Mute it now. Shreya, mute kar lo. Thank you. Number 2, lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Now, number 3rd. Who will help me? Number 3rd. Number 3rd, Akriti Maurya. Yes. Akriti Maurya, help me out with the 3rd one.
Sir, well.
Well. Okay. W-E-L-L. W-E-L-L. Number 3rd, W-E-L-L. Well. Now, mute it. Akriti Maurya, mute it now. Now, mute kar lo beta. Yes. Next question. Who will tell me the answer? Jayashree. Okay, Jayashree, tell me. Jayashree, yes. Tell me any the places where we get water.
Sir, rain.
Rain. R-A-I-N. Okay, very good. Rain. Okay. Number 4, rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Yes. Now, mute it. Now, next, who is this? Abha Kashyap. Abha Kashyap. Yes, Abha. Unmute it. Now, tell me the answer here. Yes? Pond. Okay. P-O-N-D. Pond. Fine. Very good. Now here number 5, it is pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Now mute it, Abha. Okay, Aradhya. Aradhya Singh. Yes, look at the board. Now tell me any other.
Sir, C.
C. S-E-A-E. Yes, E-A. Okay, number 6, C. S-E-A. C. Okay, Aradhya, mute it now. Mute it now. Who will tell me the answer? Any other students? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Any other students? No one. Raise your hand, na? Any other? Okay, Jia Verma. Yes. Jia Verma, unmute it. Jia Verma. Any other is there?
Sir,
No. Okay, so, tap. Very good. Here. Yes. Tap. Tap. Yes. Good. Number 7. It is tap. Any other more? और कोई बचा हुआ है? Any other is left? No. This all. How many places? 7. These are some places where we found water. ये वो जगह है जहां हमें पानी उपलब्ध होता है या हमें पानी मिलता है. Thank you. Mute everyone now. Mute it. Everyone mute it now. Okay. Now let us come back to the next open. Okay, students. Now look here. Let us see the next on the next page. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. I hope you would have understand that the places where we find water, हमें पानी कहाँ से उपलब्ध होता है? Waterfall, lake, well, rain, pond, sea, tap, river is there. River. No, river is not there. No problem. But we have come to know, students. We have come to know that where we find water, where we can find water, or the water which is available in our available to us is from these places. इन जगहों से हमें पानी उपलब्ध होता है. Fine. Thank you. Now let us see the next page. Open number. In every row, put a circle around one that is different from other. Also tell how it is different. Now let me write down the question. Let me write down the question, students. Look here. Today we will complete anyhow. We will try to complete the. We will anyhow try to complete the chapter, the third chapter, water or water. Fine, students. Look here. The first one is that it's written here. River, mountain, lake, pond, spring. Number second, it is bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, and what? Kneading dough. Number third one is what? Fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. See the fourth one? The fourth one is car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Students, now I'm going to ask you. You have to put a circle around one that is different. In 4 questions में से in हर question, in every question there are 4 or 5 words. 4 or 5 words are there. Which is different? कौन सा different है? And why it is different? You have to tell me the answer also. आपको मुझे ये भी बताना है कि वो different क्यों है? Why it is different? Yes. Now first question. Adamya Srivastav. Unmute it. Look at the first question. River, mountain, river, mountain, lake, pond, spring. Which one is different in these 5 words?
Sir, spring.
Spring. No,
Yes, sir.
no, wrong, wrong. Now look here. River, we get water from river. We get water from river. Yes, it is mountain. Mountain यानी पर्वत, पहाड़. पहाड़ से हमें पानी नहीं मिलता है. We get water from river. Yes, we get water from lake. We get water from pond, and we get water from spring. Spring का मतलब आपको पता है what is spring? Spring means underground water. Underground water. If we dig, अगर हम कहीं पे कुआं खोदते हैं ना, तो नीचे से पानी निकलता है. That is called spring. That is called spring water. That is called spring water. Then in the first one, mountain. Yes, in the first one is that mountain. Now second. Okay, now who will tell me the answer? Who is it? Shama Singh. Shama Singh. Shama, unmute it. Yes. Now look here. Bathing, washing clothes,
Yes,
swimming,
sir.
combing hair, and kneading dog. What is different in this word? In words में से कौन सा word है जो
Sir,
odd है?
coming
Yes.
here.
Combing hair. Why? Okay, for
Yeah.
bathing we need water. Yes. For bathing we need water. Washing, cloth wash करने के लिए भी हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. नहाने के लिए भी हमें पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. For swimming also we need water. और combing hair, बाल को मतलब कंघी करने के लिए पानी की जरूरत होती है. No. Yes, very good. This one is the right answer. Combing hair. Yes, Shama, now mute it. Now who will tell the next answer? Who is Aviral Tripathi? Aviral
Yes,
Tripathi.
sir.
Yes. Now look here. Fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise.
Sir, monkey.
Very good. Monkey lives on a tree. Monkey पेड़ पे रहता है. It lives on a tree. Fish in water, duck in water, crocodile in water, tortoise in water. Monkey. Very good. Now who will tell me the last answer? Who will tell me the last answer? Come on, let me ask. Yes, Avnish Kumar. Avnish Kumar, you tell me.
Yes,
Avnish,
sir.
car, boat, bus, train, bicycle.
Boat.
Boat. Boat. Yes. Why?
Sir,
Because
क्योंकि
boat travels on. हाँ, boat जो है पानी में चलता है. बाकी सारे car, bus and train and bicycle they run on what? किस पे चलती हैं सब? Road पे.
Road.
They on road. Your chapter is over. Chapter number 3rd. Students of class 3rd. Chapter number 3rd. Water or water. It is over. It's over. Now be ready for the test. Tomorrow I am going to take the test. Beta, please read it properly. I will take the test tomorrow. One more question is there. Fun with colors. Fun with. Okay, fine, students. Let us see the last question. Fun with colors. Fun with colors. Now I'll show you what is given here. करना क्या है आपको? What you are going to do? Take a page. Take one page. Let us take one page. Let me take one page. मैं एक page ले रहा हूँ. I'm taking one page here. Yes. This is one page. I have taken one page. What I'm going to do? I'm going to pour a color. इसमें मैं color pour करने जा रहा हूँ. So I have only black color. This is ink. So I'm going to use this. मैं ये use करने जा रहा हूँ. Listen and look carefully. This is your page. ये आपका page है. I'm going to pour it here. Little bit. One drop. Okay, 2 drops I have taken. Now, what I have to do? ये दिखा आपको? Yes. Now listen here. Fold it. इसको fold करना है. Yes. Playing with color or fun with colors. I have done it. मैंने इसको fold किया है और अपने हाथ से with my hand I have rubbed it. Yes, rub किया. Now you can see. Wow, what a beautiful. What is this? Say. Yes. हाँ, butterfly or bat. It may be bat, butterfly. Yes, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So playing with colors. It is called fun with colors. आप color के साथ play कर सकते हैं. Now let us see one more. एक और देखते हैं. Okay, one more. Fine. I have taken one drop. Yes, I have taken one drop, and what I have done, just see, इसको मैं fold कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am folding it. Yes, now let us play with color. Now this time, see, अब कुछ और बन गया, leaf. Yes, so it's called play fun with colors. Yes, yes, done. Everybody understand? समझ में आ गया? Look here, this is different and this is different. अलग हो रहा है ना दोनों? Yes. One more, एक और. Okay. Let us see one more. Yeah. Now you can see one more. Pot बन गया बेटा, pot. घड़ा. Right now? Yes. So it's all fun with the colors. Yes. 3 different pictures I have drawn through what? With playing with what? Colors. Playing with colors. So now your chapter is over. Yes. Now your chapter is over. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Agar anybody, raise your hand. Those who have doubt, raise your hand and it's your turn. Now you can ask me.